Kubor naga Snem jong unongsan Hima.
To the meeting that took place now, and I will only be able to take questions immediately. Basically, today we had a meeting to discuss on the 21st of January, which is the 50 years Golden Jubilee celebration of the state. So the government has decided that we will be having the celebrations, but the celebrations will be on a much lesser scale as compared to what we had planned before the outbreak of the Omicron variant. So we will be having an official program on the 21st at 11 o'clock in JN complex, and there we expect that in a hangar where we can accommodate close to 3,000 plus people, we will be going with the protocols of having 30% only. And in those 30%, we'll be having people from all over the place who will be participating in that program. Different programs will take place during that time, and all the other districts will also be connecting online they'll be connecting online to Shillong program and participating through the internet. So they will not be having separate programs, but everybody will coordinate and connect with this Shillong program. So that's what has been finalized. We are also waiting for a confirmation from the Honorable Prime Minister's office whether they will be attending the program or not. But we have not got any final word yet. But the program is being planned accordingly, and once we get a confirmation whether he's coming or not, then accordingly further details of the program will be decided.
Can we know a bit of details of the 50 projects which the government is planning to launch?
Sorry?
50 projects that the government is planning
to
launch?
So we have not, we are not going ahead with that project because of the, as I said, the entire situation that we faced. We've decided not to go ahead with that as of now. And through the year, as we go along, we have listed, in fact, close to about 300 projects that are there. And we will, as the year goes on, we have decided that rather than inaugurating things on one day, on that 50 years, on the Golden Jubilee, we will inaugurate them through the year so that the meaningful, the meaning increases. There is more local participation, and every project's value that is there must come out, and people will see the actual importance of those projects. So we do have projects, 50 projects that are there. In fact, we have more than 50 projects, but we feel that we need to give that importance to it, and we will do it throughout the year, and we will not have it in one go. But there will be one or two very important projects that will be taken up on that particular day, which we will announce on the 21st itself.